And we are into round 2 of the area's first significant snowfall. It's happening right now. It's great for winter activities. It is tough for driving.
It's been slow going on area streets and highways tonight, and 22 News reporter Sydney Snow is live in West Springfield with a look at current conditions. And Sydney, you also found what these first flakes means for snowmobiles.
I'm here in West Springfield and conditions are pretty tough right now. It's cold, it's windy, and the snow is definitely coming down hard. And it's pretty heavy, wet snow. It's not soft and powdery, so it's not going to be that easy to move. But the main concern right now is the roads. Take a look at this. This is how all of the roads in this area look. It's just really hard for the plows to keep up with all of this. The highways really aren't any better either. They're a little bit less snow covered, but it's still very slow moving. So if you're out and about tonight, you really have to be careful when you're out on the roads. We did see a couple cars slide off into the snowbanks on the side of the road earlier tonight. But I know many of you are at home regretting this. You hate the winter. You can't wait till the snow is gone. But I did speak to some people in the snowmobiling community who are excited that the snow is finally here. And I spoke with them, but the main concern this season is to be safe. It's finally time to clean off your winter toys and get them up and running outside in the fresh powder. Snowmobilers across western Massachusetts are getting ready to enjoy the season. Although some areas saw over a foot of snow, you may have to wait a little longer until it's completely safe to travel on the trails.
So we want to make sure that there's plenty of protection if we're going to go over any farm fields. In other areas, there could be rocks, there could be other things that you sort of need to cover up good and strong before you go out.
You can travel from Worcester County to the Berkshires on snowmobiling trails throughout the area. However, it's important you are aware of your surroundings when out on a trail. Consider others traveling on those same trails.
We have a network of landowners, so you want to be respectful, quiet if you're going through areas that are congested, houses and things like that, and just be courteous to other riders. There's other people on the trails.
If you're headed out for some winter fun, your snowmobile must be registered to the state and you must have a trail pass. It's also encouraged that you check the weather ahead of time and always ride with someone, or at least let someone know where you are traveling to. As you guys can see, the weather is pretty severe out here right now, so if you are out driving, again, take it slow. The roads are snow covered, and if you're going to be out shoveling, make sure to take it easy and really take some breaks in between because you don't want to overstrain yourself. So stay safe out there. Live in West Springfield, Sydney Snow, 22 News.